This brush is fantastic. It's amazing. It's bombastic. Fantastic. Hey, oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tina. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Faustina and this is Tinastube. On this channel, I do fashion videos, lifestyle videos, shopping videos, and many more. So I was watching YouTube. This is a quick video. So I was watching YouTube and I came across this video that said this brush does magical things on natural hair. And truly, when the YouTuber finished her hair, I mean, the curl definition was amazing. So I was like, I'm definitely going to give this a try. I know maybe you have never heard about it, but I ordered this brush on Amazon. It was just $14 and it's 2-in-1. It came in this pack. It's 2-in-1, a green and a pink, and the two of them was for $14. So I just washed my hair and I still have water in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and use this brush. If today is your first time and you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And as you can see, my hair, it's a 4C hair. It's a 4C hair and it's very, very kinky. So to get curls out of a hair like mine, it means that you've really stretched yourself, like you've really discovered exactly what works for you. So if you're a 4C person, if you have a short hair like mine, this video is for you, okay? So let's get right into the video. I'm just going to allow you to sit there, watch, and see the definition that comes from my hair, if really there is a definition that comes out at the end of the day. So let's get right into the video. And guys, I'm only going to use the Eco Styling Gel. I also have the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. You guys know I use this a lot. So I'm going to use these two products. It's almost finished, but I'm going to use these two products to get my curl definition. So these are the two products I'm going to use. And like I said, I saw this on YouTube and I was like, wow, if this brush alone can give such high volume of curl definition, I'm definitely going to give it a try. But if it's a fail, it means that person is not a 4C, because most of the times YouTubers tell us they are 4C, but they are not, okay? But I'm 4C, okay? Let me just zoom in for you to see. That's my 4C hair. Can you see it? And the shrinkage is so real. Like I just washed the hair and it's it's shrunk to its lowest. But let's see how it works, okay? Let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so I'm applying a good amount of the styling gel on my hair, okay? Like I said, this is a freshly washed hair. I just washed this hair, conditioned it, put oil, everything, okay? So if you didn't see me do it, it doesn't mean I don't have all those products in the hair. So yeah, I'm just using the vertical approach. Is it vertical or horizontal? I'm just using both. And guys, a little disclaimer right here. This video is not sponsored. I bought this brush with my own money. So this video is not sponsored. Like I said, I saw this brush. A YouTuber was actually using it and I decided to give it a try to see if it really works. And when I read her comments, a lot of people were saying that she is not a 4C hair. And most of the times, they tell us they are 4C, but they are not 4C. So let's see on a 4C hair. So if you have a hair type like mine, I'm making this video for you because in the end, you will know whether it works or not. Guys, this is bomb. Like, can you all see the curl? Can you all see it? Like, compared to here, I think it's bomb. This is bomb. Can you see it? Wow. Wow. See the curl definition. Oh my God. This is bomb. And see, I don't have any tear, nothing. The brush is clean. And this is because I deep condition my hair. I did a video on how to deep condition your hair with avocado. You guys should try that one. You should try it. The aloe vera and avocado conditioner. you haven't seen it, you can click on this link and watch it. This link right here. Click on it and watch it.
Lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running. Let's just stay here together. I know your mama.
Guys, I'm really loving this, okay? I've used a lot of the gel and I don't know how long it's going to take for it to dry, but I'm loving the curl definition. Like, man, this is amazing. This is bomb. And like I said, it's 2-in-1 and I got it for $14. This is it. 2-in-1 for $14. This is really amazing. Like, see the curl definition? I'm loving it. And when it dries, I'll show you when it dries. This is amazing. Like, I'm just putting the gel in like this water, okay? And I didn't put water in my hair because I just came out from the shower. I just washed my hair. So let's continue. But I'm really loving this definition. Like, I've used so many methods, wash and go methods, but this is really amazing. And this is what I've got. See, this is all. So it's not like the brush is going to break my hair. This is all that I've got, you know. This is everything that has come from my hair. See, this is the shred. Just this. All right, guys, so this is my end result. This is my curls. Did it work or not? I think it worked, but it's still wet because I didn't use a blow dry. I just went out to take a walk and allowed the air to dry my hair, and also the sun is on, so I just went out, I stepped out and I allowed natural air, natural sun to dry it. So this is the end result. Let me get a little closer just to be close to you. So this is the end result of my hair. So this is the end result using the brush. So tell me, you should be the judge. Did it work? I think it worked. I like the curl definition. Sometimes it's a little, that's all you need, okay? So this is the end result. I really love how the curls is popping, like it's coming out, you know. I really love how it's coming out. All right, so this is the end result. It's still wet, but I would say that it took me a shorter time to dry this hair because I didn't use a lot of leave-in conditioner and all that. That was going to leave white flakes in my hair. So this one, it was just the Eco Styling Gel and then the custard, okay? So I'll do is that I'll just leave it on. Yeah, I think this is more like it. I'll just leave it on. So you can also style it in so many different ways, and once you have this style, you can always revive it with mousse every morning. So when you wake up in the morning, you enter the shower, don't wear any shower cap and don't allow the water to touch your hair, okay? Just allow the steam from the water to refresh the products in the hair, and then if you have mousse, just use a little and revive the curls, and you can have this on your hair for like a week. You can keep this for a week, okay? So I'm going to leave it on, and then I'm going to go outside, probably take 1 or 2 pictures for my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me and check it out, okay? And check me out. I'm definitely going to take some pictures with this style and I'll post it on my Instagram. So my Instagram handle is Tinastube. My Twitter handle is Tinastube. Pinterest Tinastube. Facebook is also Tinastube. Okay? Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. It's your girl Tina, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and then leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this curl, this brush. It's fantastic, it's amazing, it's bombastic, fantastic. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. It's your girl Tina, And please, if you have watched my video once, twice, thrice, and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Smash that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube. Okay? Okay. Have a great day. Bye.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the